Hello, class. When last we met, we looked at trying to find slope from a graph. So let's go through the problems that you did for practice. On the left side here, again, they wanted you to find the slope of each one of those. Line 1, if we go up 2 spaces and 1 to the right, that means line 1 has a slope of 2 over 1. And again, when we have a denominator of 1, we're just going to reduce that down to a nice whole number. Line 2, we would go down 1 space and 2 to the right. So that would mean the slope there is negative 1 over 2. In other words, just negative 1/2. Yeah, leave it like that. Always keep in mind, I wish I could zoom in some more here. You trace line 1 from left to right. It's going uphill. That should have a positive slope. Line 2, you trace it from left to right, it's going downhill. That has to have a negative slope. All right, for the next graph, for line 3, we go up 1 and 3 to the right, so the slope is positive 1/3. For line 4, we have to go down 4 spaces and then 1 to the right. So that is a slope of negative 4 over 1. And again, we're going to simplify that to negative 4. Line 6 and line 5, very similar. We just have to go up 1. For line 5, we go down 1 and 1 to the right. So that means the slope here is negative 1. For line 6, we go up 1 and 1 to the right. So that slope is positive 1. Line 7, we go up however many spaces you want, and we don't move either left or right. Then we just keep going up and up and up and up. Line 7 is undefined when it comes to slope. Because we don't move either left or right. Line 7, hopefully you recognize as a vertical line. Vertical lines have a slope that's undefined. Number 8, it's nice and flat. It doesn't have a positive slope. It doesn't have a negative slope. Horizontal lines have a slope that's equal to 0. Now again, this is a real number. This is a real answer. Like we got 1 and negative 1, we could get a slope that's equal to 0. That happens when the line is horizontal. If the line is vertical, we say it's undefined. And we'll get into the reasons behind that soon.